Hey class, so as promised, this will be a video kind of walking you through the peer review group stuff that I've just enabled. I'll also be explaining kind of what I expect out of the peer review and just kind of telling you about, what the role of peer review is going to be throughout the rest of the semester. So as I said on Monday's video, we now have these peer review groups that are available to you, and I've grouped you all into groups of 4 or 5, depending on the class size. And basically what this means is that you'll be sticking with these same individuals throughout the semester. So for each of our major projects, you'll upload a rough draft of some sort, whatever's appropriate for that assignment, and it'll say on your schedule. You'll upload it by usually whatever Friday we've assigned, and then by Sunday I'll have expected you to go into your group folder and look at your group members' drafts and make comments on them. And so the purpose of this video is to explain how to do that. And so let's take a look. So over here, you now have this peer review groups tab that is available to you. So if we click on that, we can go through here, and then it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. Or if you're in my other class, it'll obviously be your names on here instead of this class's names. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to find your groups or wherever you are. Don't worry about this not enrolled thing. I don't know what that is, but it wouldn't go away. So find your name on here. So let's just pretend we're in group 1, and we'll go here. So when you click this, it'll bring you to this page, and your job is going to be to go to the group discussion board. So just to review, you're going to go to peer review groups, find your group, go to group discussion board. And this is always where you'll go. We won't really use anything else in the groups besides this discussion board. And so here you can see I've enabled your Project 1 rough draft forum. And so every product you have will have a forum like this. So you'll have Project 2, Project 3, Project 4. And so your job is going to be to find the appropriate folder. And so we found our Project 1 rough draft, and over here I've got some directions for you. So you're going to create a new thread. So you can click on this and create a new thread by uploading your rough draft. And once you've done that, I want you to comment on your group members' drafts. And I've given you some guiding questions to do that. So does the author meet all the assignment requirements? If not, what's missing? Is the purpose of this research guide clear? And does the author explain each point using detail from the community? And so those should be like the 3 main things you look at. But obviously, feel free to comment on anything else as well. So what's going to happen is when you get to this page, you'll click on this link, and you'll create your own thread, and you'll title it, your last name and Project 1, and then you'll upload your file right here. So let's just, for practice, I'll upload a chapter of my dissertation just for fun. Actually, we'll do the syllabus. That's cool. All right, and so then you'll see that it's popped up right here. And so if I'm in the group with the person who put this here, I can click on that, and I can post a reply. It should say best. There we go. And then we just submit. And so that's how you'll comment, right? So let's recap that. Peer review groups, find a group, click on the discussion board, click on the appropriate forum for the project, and then upload your thread or read your partner's thread and reply as a comment. Okay, so that's all there is to it. And so all I'm looking for is for you guys to get a little bit of feedback on these rough drafts from someone besides me. Now, I won't be making explicit comments on Project 1 because it is just kind of that bulleted list. But for all of your other projects, I will be making extensive comments on your rough drafts. I'll actually download the draft and go through them step by step and get them out to you as fast as possible. And that's why all of your rough drafts are due at least a week before the final draft so that I have enough time to go through those. So if you do have any questions or if you have any trouble, please obviously email me. Also, just to address another quick concern, I know some of you are still having problems with quiz 1. I just checked it. Everything should be fine, so give it a shot. Let me know if you still have questions. And remember that your rough draft for Project 1 is due Friday, and your comments on your partner's rough drafts are due Sunday. So get cracking with those. Let me know if you need help with anything, and I will talk to you guys later.